Step into my zone where the voltage is high. I control the lightning, watch the electrons fly. Got the inverter humming, switch to DC and striking the arc, melting metal again and again. MMA stick welding, standard 60-10. Deep penetration, digging deep in the den. Tracking the slag, reveal the beat so clean. Smoother than any track you've ever seen. Switch to McMahon, wire feeder on cruise. I go on and CO2, the perfect shielding juice. Smooth gun loaded, pushing solid steel wire. Short circuit transfer, I'm the electric messiah. Spray off mode when the plate gets thick. No spatter, no chatter, just a flawless flick. I'm grounded to the earth, completing the loop. While you're still playing with a blowtorch group. Look at my TID torch, suits as sharp as a knife. Foot pedal pulsing, giving metal new life. High frequency start, no touch, pure grace. Loving aluminum in an aerospace space. Average control, never bothered my hands. Stacking dimes, brother, finest beats in the land. You need gas cylinders just to heat up a pipe. I use the power of the grid, I'm a different type. Turn your breakers down, the real godfather of fire just walking to town. You need a socket and a wire just to start your day. When the blackout hits, your whole game fades away. Grab the torch, crack the oxygen wide. Acetylene flowing, got the pressure inside. Strike the flint, hit a pop, see the yellow smoke rise. Adjust the valves to the neutral cone, set is 5,000 degrees. And